What's up, gangsters? Today we're hunting for yellow laser parallels and outers. This is perhaps the worst SKU with only one non-base card per pack. But this is actually a very sharp looking color jersey hair match parallel. Definitely like it. And Terry Eason, I know that probably not many of you are watching Rockets games, and neither do I, but in those couple of games I saw, Terry Eason was doing really well. He's very agile for such a tall player, and I am actually impressed. He's not discussed a lot for some reason, but a very promising rook in my opinion. I think he was a former LSU Tiger, and here we actually hit 2 consecutive times league MVP Nikola Jokic green parallel. Definitely not the worst card, especially given that this product has really suffered from the delusion. Before the card boom, you could actually pull an auto and a numbered card out of this boxes, but nowadays I don't think you can put any numbered cards or autos from the vast majority of these boxes. So Bryce McGovern's our first Raider Rook green laser parallel, but I think despite getting some minutes with Hornets, McGovern's is doing disastrously. I actually was surprised that he was drafted, because I think he played like in Nebraska, or maybe Nebraska State. I'm not exactly sure, but he wasn't shining there either, so that was surprising. Malachi Branham, I think he was pretty solid in Ohio State, but in Spurs, from again like very few games of Spurs which I have seen. He's getting some minutes, but he's not really killing it, although he's kind of like an okay scorer, like tries defensively to do something, although obviously he's a bit limited defensively. But overall I feel he's a much better rook than Bryce McGovern's. And we actually pull a Joel Embiid green laser parallel as well. It's interesting that we pulled both Nikola Jokic and Joel Embiid green laser parallels, so the 2 main contenders for the MVP this season. And we also pull a Tyrese Halliburton green laser parallel, perhaps the main contender for the most improved player this season, although there things a little bit more blurry than with the MVP. Like it's probably gonna be Jokic again for the 3rd time in a row, although I don't really think it's fair to give like the 3rd MVP title in a row, because in all these seasons Nuggets won something like 2 playoff games. So it's, and this year I'm again not sure if it's like Lakers or GSW coming out of the play-in, so they can again easily lose in the first round. And we finish with Trevor Kills, who is unfortunately spending his sweet time in Westchester. Over a pretty downing break, my favorite cards are probably this green laser parallels of Embiid, Halliburton, then Rooks of Malaki, Branham, and Bryce McGovern. Visually, my favorite card is this Marcus Smart color match. The best card was probably this Jokic green laser, and the best Raider Rook is this Jabari Smith Jr.